The National Weather Service in Chicago has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southern Will County in northeastern Illinois, northeastern Kankakee County in northeastern Illinois, until 3:15 a.m. At 2:13 a.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Manhattan, or 9 miles northeast of Wilmington, moving east-southeast at 35 miles per hour. Hazard, quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, damage to vehicles is expected. Locations impacted include Joliet, Park Forest, Shanahan, Mantino, University Park, Peotel, Moments, Wilmington, Crete, Manhattan, Monee, Beecher, Elwood, Grand Park, Lakewood Shores, and Simerton. Including the following interstates: Interstate 55 between mile markers 237 and 248. Interstate 57 between mile markers 320 and 337. This includes Governors State University and Will County Fairgrounds. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. The radio, KXI 58 Plano. Severe weather is occurring or forecast to occur in our listening area. This station will broadcast